Are you looking forward to go live on TikTok? Then here's the simple steps on how you can easily go live on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you're using the updated version of the app. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been landed on the home page, you need to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, you need to make sure that your followers is more than 1,000. If it is below 1,000, then the live option will not be available to you. So make sure to reach 1,000 followers. Once done, go back to your FYP and then you'll see the option of live at the top left corner of the screen. Now simply click on go live at the top left corner once again. It will land you on this page. At the bottom you can see the option of go live. If you click on it, it will start your live video. You can also choose voice chat, device camera, mobile gaming, and live studio as well. Choose according to your need and then click on go live. After that, your live will start and people will be able to view your live. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.